Real estate or stocks? Find out exactly which one makes you rich. Most people lose money because they choose the completely wrong investment. Today we will do the real math and bust all financial myths. Let's start with real estate. It offers a massive advantage called leverage. You buy a $100,000 house with only $20,000. The bank lends you the rest. You control other people's money for profit. If the house price goes up 5%, you actually make 20. That is the power of multiplication. But real estate is not passive. You need time for repairs, problematic tenants, and high property taxes. It is more of a second business than a simple passive investment. Let's move on to stocks. Here we talk about the capital market. Historically, the American stock market has generated a 10% annual return. The main advantage of stocks is their absolute liquidity on the market. You can buy and sell with a single click right from your phone. Nobody calls you at 3 in the morning for a destroyed pipe. Stocks are truly passive investments that require no daily physical effort. However, the stock market comes with a major enemy: extreme price volatility. Your portfolio can easily drop by 30% in just 1 month. This is where human psychology kicks in. Investors panic and sell at a loss. Real estate is physical. You cannot panic sell it in a few seconds. This often protects you from your own emotional and impulsive financial decisions. Now, let's put the math to work for the next 30 years. You invest $100,000 in real estate with a classic mortgage. You buy $500,000 in properties. You are protected against high inflation. The rent covers the bank rate, and the property appreciates constantly every year. After 30 years, you have a massive asset, completely paid by others. But wait, what happens if you put the same money directly into stocks? $100,000 in stocks at a 10% average annual return. After 30 years, without any other intervention, the amount becomes absolutely staggering. You will end up with exactly $1,700,000. No broken roofs, no complicated mortgages, just pure financial compound interest. So mathematically, are stocks much better and significantly easier to manage? Not necessarily. You completely forgot about the cash flow generated by rents. Real estate brings you cash money month after month straight into your account. This financial cash flow can completely pay for your lifestyle today. You only live off stocks if you sell or collect much smaller dividends. Plus, the IRS loves real estate investors and offers them massive tax deductions. You can deduct building depreciation, repairs made, and even the bank interest. Basically, you can make a fortune from rents and pay zero taxes. This is how the rich keep their wealth untouched by the greedy state. What is your true risk profile and business involvement tolerance? If you like building, negotiating, and managing, choose the real estate market. It is the perfect path to tangible wealth and total investment control. But what if you are busy and want total freedom of movement? If you don't want to answer calls and prefer to travel constantly, then the stock market and index funds are your absolute ideal solution. You buy an index fund monthly and completely forget about that money. The truth is that most modern millionaires successfully use both investment methods. They make massive money from businesses and safely park it in real estate. And the surplus money goes straight into stocks for rapid and explosive growth. Diversification is the only free lunch that exists in this crazy financial market. Do not become a fanatic of one asset class over the other option. The math clearly shows that both methods can make you incredibly rich. Everything completely depends on your time, risk tolerance, and your financial discipline. Start right now, regardless of the specific path you choose for the future. Time is your only real advantage and absolutely impossible to ever recover. Learn constantly, make calculated decisions, and don't listen to online financial advice. If you want to learn about investing, hit that subscribe button right now. Leave a comment below. Do you prefer real estate or the stock market?